Hello, Kauai. This is your County of Kauai briefing for Monday, August 2nd. Today we are announcing 5 new cases, which consists of 4 residents and 1 visitor. 3 of today's new cases are adults and 2 are children. 2 of the cases are related to travel, 1 mainland and 1 inter-island. The remaining 3 cases are considered community acquired with no known source of infection. This brings the number of active cases to 56, with 2 hospitalized. Since the pandemic began, Kauai has confirmed 621 total cases. If you're planning a trip, we highly recommend getting vaccinated first. The Delta variant is spreading rapidly. It is more infectious and symptoms are more severe. The vaccines provide significant protection from the Delta variant. Travelers and those around travelers are also encouraged to take a COVID-19 test. We offer free testing every weekday at the convention hall from 8 a.m. to 3:30 p.m., no appointment needed. Our new mobile testing van also offers free testing across the island. You can find our mobile testing van at the neighborhood centers in Kekaha on Wednesdays, Kilauea on Thursdays, Kalaheo on Fridays, Hanalei on Saturdays, and Kapa'a on Sundays. It will be open from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. each day. More information is posted at kauai.gov/COVID test. If you do have symptoms, please stay home. Don't risk getting your colleagues sick by going to work. Call your doctor for a drive-through test. As our keiki get back to school, the safety of our students and staff is a high priority. The Department of Education has been working with our Department of Health to provide guidance that allows students to learn safely in their classrooms. For more information, we turn to Department of Education Kauai Superintendent Paul Zena.
Thank you, Mayor, and welcome back, students, parents, teachers, and staff. To date, there have been no confirmed cases due to transmission in Kauai public schools. We want to keep it that way. We recognize the need to keep kids in school, in person, as the first option for learning in our community. In our pandemic response, schools should be the last to close and the first to open. As fall semester starts tomorrow, all public elementary, middle, and high schools are returning to daily in-person learning with safety measures in place. Masks will strictly be required. Elementary school students will learn in-class bubbles or cohorts. Social distancing will be implemented to the greatest extent possible. I'd like to remind students, staff, and families to continue completing daily wellness checks before reporting to school. You can find school-specific plans and schedules at bit.ly/Kauai Public Schools. Distance learning is still an option. The Department of Education is announcing today that we are adding a state-sponsored distance learning option for elementary schools on Kauai. It is a limited enrollment program. Please contact your school's office to schedule a required meeting to determine if this is the best option for your child. Mahalo for staying healthy, safe, and strong as we support our students together. For more on health and safety this school year, here is Kauai District Health Officer Dr. Janet Behrman.
Thank you, Paul. Our most effective tools to make this school year a success are vaccines and masks. Even though children younger than age 12 are not yet eligible, vaccinating adults and children 12 and older goes a long way towards stopping the spread and protecting those young children. If you or your kids are not yet vaccinated, it's not too late. You can start today. Getting the first dose now provides significant protection, and getting fully vaccinated provides even more. A full list of locations is posted at kauai.gov/vaccine. If you or your student is sick, please do not go to school. Stay home and call your doctor to get tested. Please don't risk getting your student's classmates and their families sick. If you or your student has traveled recently, please get a free test. Finally, plan to wear your mask when it's required by your school. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention is emphasizing the protective power of mask wearing indoors, including in schools. Hawaii's statewide indoor mask requirement is prudent, effective, and consistent with CDC's guidelines. Mahalo for wearing your mask indoors in public places. By using these tools, we can make this school year a success. Mahalo for helping keep our keiki safe and healthy.
Thank you, Dr. Berriman. My children have been vaccinated along with my wife and I. I'm glad to know we will all have protection from severe illness as they go back to the classroom. As Dr. B mentioned, it's not too late to get the vaccine. The Pfizer vaccine is available for everyone 12 and older. You can get them at Safeway and Lihue Long's pharmacies, as well as Wilcox Medical Center. Other locations are offering the Moderna or Johnson & Johnson vaccines for adults. This Thursday, August 5th, adults can get 20% off at Keoki's Paradise Restaurant in Poipu. Get vaccinated at a pop-up clinic outside the restaurant from 11 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. Westside residents can come to our pop-up clinic at Kekaha Neighborhood Center this Saturday, August 7th, between 8 to 11 a.m. Adult walk-ins are also accepted at Walmart, Costco, Kaiser, Ho'olalahui, Safeway Kapa'a, and Long's Kapa'a, Ele'ele, and Koloa. For a full list of locations, visit kauai.gov/vaccine. If you're having an event, you can request our new mobile vaccination van to park at the event and offer vaccinations to your guests. Visit kauai.gov/vaccine for more information. Mahalo Kauai for coming together to stop this virus. The eviction moratorium is expiring this Friday, August 6th. After Friday, landlords will again have the right to evict tenants who have not paid their rent. If you are behind on your rent, we want you to know that there is still time to seek help and resources are available. A new state law passed this year made significant changes to the landlord-tenant code. Renters now have the right to seek mediation and more time for assistance before eviction. For more information about Kauai's mediation program, please call 245-4077. You may also email mediation@keoinc.org for assistance. Kauai's Coronavirus Rental and Utility Assistance Program continues to accept applications. They can provide up to $4,500 per month for rent and pay for utilities for eligible renters. For more information, visit kauaiRentHelp.com. Native Hawaiians are eligible for the Department of Hawaiian Homeland's Emergency Rental Assistance Program. More information is available at hawaiiancouncil.org/DHHL. Additional resources are available from the State Department of Commerce and Consumer Affairs, the Legal Aid Society of Hawaii, and the Mediation Center of the Pacific. Please consider these resources, know your rights, and seek assistance if needed. The emergency extension for expired licenses is also expiring this Friday. If your driver's license, state ID, or learner's permit expired during the pandemic, you will need to renew it by Friday, August 6th. Our driver's licensing division is offering extended hours through Friday to allow eligible customers to renew. If your card expired on or after March 16, 2020, you may come in without an appointment today through Friday between 4 p.m. and 4:45 p.m. To ensure service, it is recommended to get in line early. Kupuna Hour is still available for those 65 years or older from 8 to 8:45 a.m. No appointments are necessary for Kupuna Hour. For everyone else needing regular appointments during business hours, please visit kauai.gov/DMV. Mahalo for wearing your masks when indoors. Wash your hands, keep your distance, avoid large gatherings, and of course, consider getting a vaccine. Mahalo for helping to keep Kauai safe, and remember, I got vaccinated, mahalo.